जाने कैसे सपनों में खो गई अखियाँ, मैं तो हूँ जागी मोरी सो गई अखियाँ। जाने कैसे सपनों में खो गई अखियाँ, मैं तो हूँ जागी मोरी सो गई अखियाँ. Hi everyone, welcome to Guess the Mukra Challenge. I had posted 3 antaras last week and I'm here with the answers. Though most of you have figured it out, you have responded, you have commented and replied to me on my Facebook, my Instagram and on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. But for the rest of my friends, here they are. This song is from the movie called Anuradha. It was released in 1960. It had Leela Naidu and Balraj Sahani in the leads. The song has been beautifully sung by Lata Mangeshkar ji, and the music, which is the greatest part of the entire movie and the entire setup, because the story is also about a musician. The music is by Pandit Ravi Shankar ji, and the great part is this particular song is based on Rag Tilak Sham. It is a raga created by Pandit ji himself, so this song is super special for the movie also. I hope you like that trivia. The next song. कोई गाता मैं सो जाता, कोई गाता मैं सो जाता, मैं सो जाता, कोई गाता. This is such a beautiful song, and all the songs in this movie are so great, so beautiful. They're all, each and every one is a gem. And the name of the movie is Alap, so it is self-explanatory that it is about music. That is the reason I have selected it. In my last video I had mentioned that you'll be surprised to know who played the lead. He's a tall man. Yes, it's none other than Amitabh Bachchan. The movie was released in 1977. He has never done a role like this, and he had himself said that I'm surprised that I can carry off a role like that, a character like that. Beautiful movie. All the songs are great and sung by none other than the legend Yasudas ji's voice, and the music is by Jaidev. The movie was released in 1977. It had Amitabh Bachchan and Rekha in the lead. So that's that. The third one. जिया ले गयो जी मोरा सावरिया, जिया ले गयो जी मोरा सावरिया, लगे मन में अगन हुई बावरिया, जिया ले गयो जी मोरा सावरिया. So endearing, so beautiful. Rag Yaman Kalyan. Madan Mohan's music and Rag Yaman Kalyan are like, they are always together. I mean, it was his favorite raga. He always used to experiment so much with this particular rag. This song is from the movie Anpad. It was released in 1962, if I am not wrong, and it had Dharmendra and Mala Sinha in the lead. But this particular song has been filmed on Binduji, and Binduji, yes, the cabaret artist and the vamp from the Hindi film industry, but she has looked so pretty and so cute in this particular song. The song again has been sung by Lata Mangeshkar, none other than Lata Mangeshkar, who can do such justice. It's beautiful. So that's it today from me. Next week I'm going to be back with 3 more songs, and this time it's going to be a ghazal special. I just hope everybody participates, everybody comes together and #revive old classics together. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Sing with Sohi. Even if you don't like it, please give me a thumbs down. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe and always keep smiling and singing. Bye bye.